100 years ago. The rebels led a rising from the city's GPO. Brave heroes and their enemies fell, civilians in between. And among the dead and fallen were the children of 16. Those children of the tenement slums who daily with their pals of brazen wild brigades sprang up between the two canals. With their handcarts over cobblestone, they rattled skid and toe, barefooted as they scavenged through the crossfire and the gore. Oh, war zone of the capital, the bombs and shelling made, and snipers' bullets pierced and whipped the sulphured April haze. There was fighting from the Union to the mill above the green, and it made a great excitement for the children of 16. Nor Pierce, nor Clark, MacDonough, or the Connolly we know would rest where they remembered on a pedestal alone. And are they not the fathers of our nation, proud and free, and our sisters and our brothers then, the children of 16? Thank you.